what's going on, guys? We are back at the Townsville Barra Fun Park and doing a little bit of barramundi fishing today. They have a couple ponds here. There's, I believe, 2 down that way that have smaller barra in them, and then this is the big barra dam. They also have some like inflatable water stuff and a cable ski area and things like that. So super fun for the family to come out and do. We're gonna be doing pretty much all fishing today, seeing how many barra we can catch. They do say they have some meter-long barra here. So it would be really, really exciting to catch one of those. But yeah, let's see how many we can catch. We're using like dead, I believe they're pilchards, I don't know, as bait for the barra. And we're just taking a J hook and hooking them underneath the oh gosh, I can't even think of what it's called, right underneath their mouth, right through their nose. That is 79 centimeters. That's a PB. It's an amazing fish. Put him back in the water. Here's another one. This one feels a little smaller. Maybe not. Come here, buddy. Actually, that one's probably about the same size. Just felt a little smaller, maybe. Didn't fight as hard. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, okay. Whew. That is another nice fish. Slide him up to the edge. This one is 75 centimeters. Whew. Alrighty, get him back. Let's go get another one. Yeah, absolutely.
And I just had one like right on the bank.
Mm-hmm.
Put it like a meter in front of it, just turned away from it.
Oh yeah, they're slow today. Oh, come back. Stop it. There we go. Same thing, right on this, like right where that stick is sticking out. Yeah. If you cast about maybe 3-4 feet from the edge and just slowly like pull it back. I had this guy eat it right about here.
Wow. You gotta have patience, eh?
Alright, so this one is 68 centimeters. Pretty good gut on him. Not a bad fish. That's probably one of the bigger ones for the day. There we go. Nice fish. Stop it. Okay. Oh gosh. Stop. Okay. Hey buddy. Stop. Alright, we're gonna have to put him upside down. 78. Another 78 inch or centimeter. Last fish of the day. Put this in the water. Stop. I got you, buddy. Got this hook. Of course, it's gonna wrap around my foot. Stop. Slide you up here. $73 is the last one. Alright, just finished here at the Barra Fun Park. Closed at 4, so I ended up, I think, jumping a total at 2 or 3 and catching about 6, so about 10 fish is what I got bite-wise. It was way better than the first time I was here. I broke my PB twice today. Well, technically twice. So yeah, if you guys are interested in coming out to Townsville and trying this, I will put the link to their website in the description below, as well as the link to my last video when I was here. I only ended up catching 2 that day. So yeah, that's gonna do it for us here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Tight lines.